if you can see, it just like glistens in the light how pretty it is. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. All right, gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna just mattify the face with the One Size foundation powder. Where is it? I'm telling you, like every time I look for my stuff, it's like crazy today. Like it's one of those days. It's like right in front of me and I can't find anything. But yeah, I'm gonna just mattify the face, which I don't normally do, but we will today for this look. And we're gonna put some blush on. Gonna prep the lip one last time, but this time I'm just gonna go really down the center and let it stain for a little bit. As it's staining, just gonna press that out a little bit. We're going to mattify the blush by adding the Dior blush a little bit, and since it's kind of muting the redness that I have, it's not like enough. I'm gonna probably put some Valentino on top. This Valentino is probably gonna just, oh, I almost like swirled it. This is like strong, so I'm just gonna, there we go. She's cold again. I'm gonna wet my brush now so I can make that inner highlight pop a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie though, I was super excited when I saw this look because we've kind of been like dousing ourselves in blush all summer of last year, so this was just like a no-brainer for me to do. And this is the first time where I would actually like just frost my lip a little bit, maybe frost like in here, down the bridge, and just like maybe the nose, just a little bit. Oh, not too much. Not too much though, not too much. Just gonna spritz the face just to kind of bring it back to life a little bit. That's it. Gonna finish off with some Rhode because I just want like lip gloss. That's what everyone's been doing. They just added gloss. Rhode is perfect for this. And again, this smells so good. And there we have it. The I'm Cold look.